First foul. Okay, first five. Both team. Technical free throw. Incomplete uniform. One free throw muna, rep. Rep, technical free throw, incomplete uniform. Number 7, pass to number 24, pinasalaling sa number 00, 2 points. Number 68, leading the ball. Pass to number 21, pinalik sa number 68, to number 42 for 3. 3 points by jersey number 42. Number 7. Ava. Tinasa kita sa number 00 to number 0, number 2. Number 24 for 3 points. Number 16, leading the ball. Pass to number 21, pinalik sa number 68 to number 42 to number 21. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 25. 2 points by jersey number 25. Number 7. Pass to number 2. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 00 pull up, no good. Rebound by number 68. Number 68. Pass to number 25. Malaksak, layup. No good. Rebound by number 00. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 2. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 00. 2 points. Number 16. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 72. Steal by number 42. Meron na 3. Air ball. Blocked by number. Number 07. Pass to number 5. Pinalik sa number 07. Nabitawan. Nakuha niya ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24 for 3. No good. Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 2 pull up. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21 nagmamadali. Pinasa number 25. Layup. 2 points. May jersey number 25. Number 00. Pass to number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 2. Direct sa number 5. Pull up. No good. Rebound knee. Rebound knee. 42. Number 21. Pinasalanan sa number 68. Still by jersey number 42. 02. Pass to number 7. To number 2. Layup. Nabitawan. Nakuha na number 21. Pass to number 68. To number 21. Layup. No good. Rebound knee. Great ball. Number 07. To number 24 for 3. 3 points. And jersey number 24, Mali. Number 16, Babawi. No good. Rebound by number 00. Pass back to number 5. Layup. 2 points by jersey number 5. 12-7 ang ating score. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Change 5.
Foul. Ref foul.
Let's call rep. Foul number 5. Number 5, first personal foul, first team foul. First through, no good. Sige ba?
Second set.
Second try, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 24. To number 27, layup, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 28. Pass squat to number 26. Sub rep. Number 17. Pass to number 11. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 11 for 3. Air ball. Rebound by number 24. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 41. To number 26. Pull up. 2 points with jersey number 26. Number 26, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 17, pass to number 11. Foul number 50, first personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throw by jersey number 11. First try, no good. Second throw, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 22, nabitawan, nakuha niya ulit. Pass to number 50, to number 26. Pinakasalalim, 2 points by jersey number 41. Number 11, ay 16. No good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 26. 28. Nagmamadali. Layup. malakas. Rebound by number 26, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 16. Number 16, sumalaksak. Nilay up, no good. Rebound by number 26. Number 26, pass to number 28. 2 points by number 28. Number 17. Nabitawan, nakuha ni number 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 22, pass break to number 41. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 16. Pull up, 2 points by jersey number 16. 9:20 ang ating score. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17. Pull up. 2 points. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Pull up, no good. Rebound me. Orange ball.
Tayo mag-test yan.
Number 11. Steal by number 26. Nabitawan, nakuha ulit ni number 11. Pinasa sa lalim sa number 16. Natapik. Nakuha ulit number 16. Stepping in the line. Number 22 to number 41. Pull up. No good. Rebound me. Number 24. Pass to number 70. Put back by number 24. Basket count by jersey number 24. Foul number 41. First personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw by number 24. Basket. Time remaining 40 seconds. Number 22. Pass to number 50. 10 seconds to shoot. Orange ball. 26 seconds. Number 11. Pass to number 17. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 17 for 3. No good. Dribble by number 22. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points by number 41. End of the first quarter. Back to the ball game, second quarter. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21. Rebound by number 00 to number 02. Number 24 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 68 to number 21. Pass to number 6 to number 35. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 68 to number 21. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 24, Mali. Pass to number 02, Villacorta. Still by jersey number 35. Pass to number 68. For 3, no good. Rebound rebound ulit ni number 68. Sumalaksak, layup, no good. Nagagawan. Jump ball.
Rep!
Red lang daw, rep. Kailangan daw yung number 68 din po palit.
Ng first game pa yan eh. Eh kayo wala pa siya. 10 pa yan natin.
Warning for delay in the game. Ang green.
Eh 17 na sila, second quarter na tayo, 4 na 5 na yun eh. Okay na.
23. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 6. Layup, no good. Rebound ni number 6 to number 21. 2 points. Number 23. Ginugulo. Pass to number 18. 8 seconds violation. Number 60 to number 06 to number 35. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 68 pinakasilalan sa number 21. 2 points. Nice pass by jersey number 68. Number 08. Dribbling the ball. Pass to still by number 35. Pass break to number 21. Layup. 2 points. Time out. Time out. ETC.
Sir, 12 lang po sila, 12. Ano kayo eh? 20 kayo sir eh.
20 po kayo.
20 kayo.
Kailangan makapasok.
Second quarter pa lang tayo, 15 pa lang nakakadawas eh.
Kailangan lahat.
Sa kanila 12 eh. Hindi naman na sir. Ito 12 lang eh. Kasi lang. Kailangan makalaro lahat eh.
Mamaya po, 200.
Back to the ball game.
advantage. Iba, gusto ko konti para...
To number 35. Pull up, no good. Rebound by number 68. Basket. Number 08. Number 21. Foul number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 06. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 08. 12 seconds to shoot. Master number 23. Pull up. 2 points. Right version number 23. Number 16. To number 35. Binalik sa number 18. 12 seconds to shoot. To number 68. Fake. Sumalaksak. Intercept by number 35. Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 21 for 3. 3 points. Right jersey number 21. Isa na lang ang kalabangan ng ATC. Number 23 pass to number 8 to number 17 to number 20. No good. Number 13. Number 08 sumalaksak layup. 2 points by number 08. Turnover.
Napay sa possession pa.
Isang possession pa daw. 23 pa lang. Number 23. Still by jersey number 35. Change back.
Oh, isa na, ay na lang na may 20 po magkaroon.
Orange ball. Number 42. Layup. No good. Rebound ni. Number 00. Nagmamadali. Sumalaksak. Oh. Basket. Munti ka na. No good. Rebound number 42. Pass to number 25 to number 11. Number 11. No good. Rebound by number 00. Fast break to number 24 to number 5. Layup. 2 points. Foul number 5. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Number 11. Pass to number 27. Intercept by number 24. Nakuha ni number 91. To number 00. Pass break to number 24. Mali. To number 91. Nabitawan. Nakuha ulit ni number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 00. Pull up. 2 points.
Mamaya pa sir, third quarter pa.
Wala po.
Bawal pa mag-sub sir.
Wala na, mamaya. Asan o time out?
Time out. Ah, okay.
Number 24 for 3 points. Time out. Orange.
Patingin na sa order niya.
21. Last sa loob.
Number 42. Waving the ball. Pass to number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 24. Foul number 5. Number 5, penalty left, penalty. Number 5, third personal foul, penalty. Rebound by number 00, pass to number 91. Pass to number 5. 14 seconds to shoot.
Dalawang 24 nila.
Sige ako ng bala. Ang cross na isa.
2 points by number 91. Ay. Number 91, pull up, 2 points. Number 2, traveling violation, green ball. Number 24, pass to number 5, to number 24, Mali. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover, orange ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 25 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 24. Pass break to number 24, Mali. 2 points. Number 25. Pass to number 11. Number 11 crossover. Nabitawan, nakuha na number 24. To number 25. No good. Rebound by number 00. Pass break to number 24. Libre. Layup, 2 points. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 11. Pass to number 25 Sirali. Nakalusot. 2 points by jersey number 25. 15 seconds. Number 5, pass to numbers 24, layup, no good, rebound D. Galing labas, number 24, turnover. Number 11, sumalaksak, layup, no good, rebound by number 27. 2 points by number 27. 30 seconds. Number 24, Mali for 3. No good. Rebound by number 00. Blocked by number 42. 15 seconds. Number 27 for 3. 3 points by jersey number 27. 5 seconds. Number 5. Play up. 2 points. And the second quarter.
Hindi pwede ulit yung dalawang sampung na laro ha. 13, may dalawang pupunit dito yung sa kasi 13 sila yung tatlong babago. Tapos yung dalawang hindi ba yun? Oo, wala yun. Third quarter pala tayo.
Back to the ball game, third quarter.
Third quarter pa lang tayo, sir. Meron pa tayo yung dalawang change 5 pa yan. Yan, okay na yan. Okay na yung lima mo, yung free. 68, sir. Yung 68 wala sa pili. Kasi 13 ang sila, sir. Pero hindi magkasunod yun, sir. Wala yung 68 kanina. Wala tayong magagawa. Kulang talaga sila eh.
number 30. To number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound ni number 28. To number 07. Fake. Layup. Blocked by number 30. Rebound by number 06 to number 68. Sa ilalim. Layup. 2 points. Number 03 for 3 short. Foul number 20, 30, 30.
First pa lang po, sir.
Number 30, first personal foul, first team foul. Basket ang second free throw. Number 70, leading the ball. Pass to number 30. To number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 06, pull up. 2 points by number 06. Number 28. Pass to number 41. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalik sa number 07. Pass to number 02. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 68. Pass back to number 20. 04. 2 points by number 04. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng mga naka-green. Number 07 for 3. 3 points by number 7.
Yung lima lang na pinalitan nila sila Manny. Hindi ba sinita niya?
Number 07. Mamadali. Layup. 2 points by number 07. Number 17 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 02. Pass to number 28 to number 07. 2 points. Grabe, 7 points in 1 minute. Si number 7. Number 30. Pull up. 2 points by number 20, 30. Number 28, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 41. Tunira, no good. Rebound by number 17 to number 4. Pass to number 06. Pull up, no good. Rebound ulit number 6. Tunira, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 2. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 30. Steal by number 30. Binababa ang bola. Pinakasalalin sa number 4. Binalik sa number 17. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 7. Fast break to number 2. Number 2, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 68. Number 68. Dribbling the ball. Tumira ng 3. No good. Green ball. Number 7. Pass break. Still by number 6. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 4. Pull up. Short. Rebound by number 17. Tinira. No good pa rin. Rebound ni number 4. Pass to number 06. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass break sa kalaban. Still by number 6. Number 6 to number 30. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 7. Blocked by number 30. Chase by.
Spy. May walking din kita.
Okay, back to the ball game. Number 13, nabitawan bola, nakuha ni number 22. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 08 to number 23, 2 points. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 50. Pass to number 23. Sinalaksak ni Leab. Block by number 16. Nakuha ni number 08. Nakuha ulit number 08. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Foul number 50. First personal foul. First team foul. Rebound by number 50. Pass to number 23. Number 23, binababa bola. Pass to number 22. Binalik sa number 23. Fade, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Tumira ng 3. Airborne.
May na-injured ba? Ay, third.
Foul number 15, third personal foul, second team foul. Still by number 8. Libre, layup, 2 points. Number 16. Naagawan, nakuha ni number 42. Sinalaksak, 2 points. Number 22. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 08 to number 13. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 13. Timeout. Orange. Number 16. Dinerecho, no good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 23. Steal by number 42. Pass to number 27 for 3. Short. Rebound knee. Number 18. Green ball. Number 50. Ginawang bola. Pull up. No good. Rebound knee. Number 27. Number 27. Steal by number 22. Pinasa sa ilalim sa number 23. Libre. 2 points. Time remaining 1 minute. Number 27. In terms of the number 08, still by number 50. Pass break, nice pass to number 23, 2 points. Nabitawan or number 22. Pass to number 23. Number 23 fake, nice fake, blocked by number 18. Still by number 50. Basket count. Foul number 42, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Minsan na yan, ha?
10 seconds. Ito ba number 22? 5 seconds. Double dribble. 2 seconds. Time remaining 2 seconds. End of the third quarter.
Minsan na, open.
Okay, both teams pwede na mag-sub. Fourth quarter. Back to the ball game, fourth and final quarter. Green ball.
Para ako patay pa.
Number 5 pass to number 26. Intercept by number 11. Steve by number 11. Nagmamadali. Delay up. No good. Rebound by number 24. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 00. Pass to number 24. To number 26. To number 28. Pinalik. 3 seconds violation. Number 16. Pass to number 21. Tumira ng tres. Short. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 5. To number 00. Layup. Traveling violation. Number 16. Leaving the ball. Pass to number 11 to number 21. Binalik sa number 11 to meron ng tres. No good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 28. number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Basket foul. Foul number 6. Number 16, first personal foul. First team foul. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 68. Short. Rebound by number 21. Pinasa sa number 24. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 5. Foul number 68. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 20 pass to number 24. Falling to number 26. Fake. Intercept by number 16. Number 06 layup. Basket foul by number 6. Sakrep. Foul number 23. 28. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus waiver by number 6. Basket. Number 7. Pass to number 5. To number 00. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump ball. Orange ball. Rebound by number 00. Steal by number 24. Pass to number 21 for 3. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 00. First personal foul. Second team foul. 3 free throw by number 21. First try, short. Second try, basket. Tatlo yun. Mamaya. Gold. Jump. Green ball. Sabrek. Number 53. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 53. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 21. Pass break to number 11. Libre. Layup. Nabutawan. Nakuha number 25. 2 points by number 25. Number 26. Pass to number 53. To number 00. Nabitawan. Nakuha na ulit. Steal by number 25. Pass to number 21. Pass break. Nakuha ni Green ball. Sub right, sub. Time out. EFB. 22, pass to number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number, intercept by number 25, save ball. Number 00, layup, 2 points. Number 21, pass to number 68. To number 12. Galing sa number 21, numero ng 3. No good, rebound ni number 68. Number 68. Pull up. 2 points by number 68. Still by number 68. 2 points by number 68. Still by number 21, pass to number 68. Malakas. Rebound by number 00. Number 53, pull up, no good, rebound ni number 25. Pass to number 24. Pass break to number 21. Tumira ng 3. Sure. Air ball. Rebound by number 00. Pass to number 7. Sir, number 6. Sabi po. No good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24 sa malaksak. No good. Rebound by number 00. Pass to number 25. 2 points by number 26. Dead ball, dead ball. Number 25. Pass to number 42. Tumera ng 3. Sure. Rebound by number 53. Ginugulo. Pass to number 7. Sumalaksak layup. 2 points by number 7. Dead ball. Number 21. Pass to number 68. Tumera ng 3. Air ball. Sabrap. Time out. Time out. Time out. PSEFP. Isa na lang ang time out ng orange. Dalawa pa sa mga naka-green. Back to the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Orange ball, green ball. Number 24, pass to number 30. To number 53. Balik sa number 5. Balik sa number 24. Pinasa sa lalim, nice pass. They're no good. Foul number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. First throw, no good. No good pa rin, rebound ni orange ball. Pass to number 2 balls by number 70. Last 3 minutes. Number 00 pass to number 53. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by number 11. Pass to number 21 to number 17. Libre. 2 points by number 17. Pass to number 13 to number 53. Pull up. 2 points. Easy 2 points by number 53. Number 11 sumalaksak. Basket count by number 11. Foul number 53. First personal foul. Third team foul. Well, good. Rebound ni number 30. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 30. Binalik sa number 17 to number 30. Steal by number 24. Number 30, second personal foul, 14 foul. Number 17. Still by number 00, pass to number 30. Pass to number 24 for 3. A good rebound by number 6. Number 6 sumalaksak. Natapik, save po. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Sub-rep. No good, rebound by number 13. Pass to number 2. To number 5, fake. Blocked by number 6. Steal by number 11. To number 21 for 3. No good, rebound by number 30. Basket card by number 30. Foul number 53. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Sub-rep.
Mamaya, sir. Sir, mamaya. Pag pumasok mo.
No good. To number 26. Number dead ball. Number 21. Pass to number 6. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalik sa number 21 for 3. Malakas. Rebound by number 6. 2 points by number 6. Intercept by number. Sub-rep. Seconds to shoot. Number 00 for 3. No good. Rebound by number. Okay, number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Last 32 seconds. Still by number 00. Last 20 seconds. 2 points by number 13, 53. 15 seconds. 3 points by number 42. 13 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. The whole game.
Talo naman sa picture eh. Okay na yun.
Babawi na tayo sa picture lang.
Best player of the game, jersey number 24, Mali.
Ano tubig? Tubig?
Hindi, meron na ako eh. Wala namang mga laman yun eh. Ah, bumili ka ulit?
May binigay.
Ah, lagay mo na.
Pero hindi malamig. Pamili mo pa yung mic? Sino pa yung display yan? Nakuha mo na?
24.
24? Tapos? Ano pa?
Siya rin yung sa tres eh. Defensive player siya ano.
Best player number 24, Sir Mali.
Si 26 din, nasa kanila.
Ang
Defensive player.
defensive player number 26.
Sino ba? Major. Yung payment daw nila.
Ano? Nakay ano? Tagopong. Kunin niya lang kami.
Last one.
Hindi, hindi yan. Nandiyan kanina.
Okay.
26 pre.
Best player, Sir Mali. Number 26, defensive player.
26 sir. Sir.
Sir, Asuncion. Next
Sir,
to
ano first name mo, Asuncion? Sir Asuncion. First name mo? Angel? Angel? Angel.
Okay, nice game po. PSCFP.
6A.
Nakapasok po ang ETC sa ating playoffs.
Angel. Okay. Good.
Wala tayong laro next week. Holy week na. Congratulations to Team ETC for advancing to the quarterfinals.
May ulit. Sa baba.
Dami mo sila eh.
Brad. Siya rin yun. Angel. Angel.
Dali, kita na akin. Dali ko na. Pwede dali doon.